Now let us see another variety of question in this allegation. Almost the same variety but slight difference. This makes another beautiful question. Now see here. Your question is, two vessels A and B contain milk and water mixed in the ratio 2:3 and 11:6 respectively. Now there are two vessels, vessel A, and there is another vessel B. In the first vessel A, milk and water is in the ratio 2:3. This is the ratio of milk and water. In the second vessel B, milk and water is in the ratio 11:6. This is what is given in the statement. Next statement. The ratio in which these two mixtures be mixed to get a new mixture containing 47 1/17 percentage milk in the new mixture. That means there is another vessel. This vessel I will call it as vessel C. I will pick out some ratio of milk and water in vessel A and some ratio of milk and water in vessel B. I will mix these two ratios and I will form a new mixture which is having that mixture I will call it as vessel C. This new mixture which is present in vessel C has 47 percentage. In fact, it is 47 1/17 percentage of milk is present. That means out of total 100 percentage of liquid or the mixture, 47 1/17 percentage is milk. Remaining percentage is which one it is? Water. Now they are asking, find the ratio in which the first two mixtures are mixed. In what ratio are you mixing vessel A and vessel B is your question. Now see here, same logic sir, there is no difference at all. 47 1/17 percentage is nothing but 800/7 percentage. 47 1/7 percentage is nothing but, sorry, it's not 7 sir, it is 17 here, right? Question is given as 17. It is 800/17 percentage. 800/17 percentage is 800/17 into 1/100. So 100 into 8 is 800. Finally, I will be left with 8/17. Sir, what is the meaning of 8/17? 8/17 means 8/17 means 8 liters of milk is present. 8 liters of milk is present out of total 17 liters of solution. Please do not consider 8/17 as 8 liters of milk and 17 liters of water. That is an incorrect thing. People will make this mistake. That is the reason I am telling you right now itself. Out of total 17 liters, which parameter are they talking about in this? They are talking about milk parameter. So numerator refers to the parameter which is being spoken or which is given in the question. That means out of total 17 liters, 8 liters is milk in vessel C. Now, if I combine everything, out of total 2 plus 3, 5 liters, 2 liters belongs to milk in vessel A. Out of total 11 plus 6, 17 liters, 11 liters belongs to milk in vessel B. Similarly, out of total 17 liters in vessel C, 8 liters belongs to milk in vessel C. This is an incorrect thing sir, I am sorry. So this says that out of total 11 plus 6, 17, 11 liters belongs to milk, not 8 liters. So it is 11/17. Now LCM of 5 and 17 is, it is 5 into 17. If I simplify, 2/5 into 5 into 17, 5 cancels. 2 into 17 is 34. 11/17 into 5 into 17, 17 cancels. 11 into 5 is 55. 8/17 into 5 into 17, again 17 cancels. 8 into 5 is 40. In what ratio are they mixed is the question. Q1 by Q2 is nothing but P2 minus P. 55 minus 40, it is 15 divided by P minus P1. 40 minus 34, it is 6. Again you can further simplify it as 15 is 3 into 5. 6 is 3 into 2. Answer for this question is 5:2. I hope the idea is very clear for you. In this question, they are not giving you the ratio of milk and water directly in vessel C, but they are giving you this much percentage of milk is present. That means out of total 17 liters of solution, 8 liter belongs to milk, or milk and water ratio in vessel C is 8:9, because 8 plus 9 is only total 17. So like that you can convert it. There is a subtle difference between each and every question, sir, but you should understand how to tackle these varieties of questions in the most easiest way possible. I hope these three varieties what we have discussed till now is very clear for you people.